Hi again and welcome back. Providing additional information beyond the planogram image itself can be a useful and powerful tool. EZPOG allows you to create custom Excel reports using our report options found in the Tools drop-down menu. You'll see a number of pre-made reports for your convenience. Please note that the report labeled Workgroup Product Attribute Report is the only report that is not planogram specific. This will provide you with a listing of all items that you have loaded into your custom EZPOG database. The most commonly used reports are the Item Detail Report and the Shelf Location and Position Report, and both can be customized and saved. Reports can be as simple or as complex as you need. When I click Edit next to the Item Detail Report, you can see that I can add and delete whatever columns I'd like. In addition to the position data, I can also include fixture data, segment data, and section data. Once I'm happy with my report, I can give it a name and click Save as New. I can now find it in my custom report. These saved reports can be used when creating custom PDF layouts as discussed in tutorial number 7. If you're using performance data, please be sure to select the appropriate performance table from this drop-down before exporting your data. Clicking Download Report will prompt you to save the file to your computer. Thank you for watching our video. Please visit ezpog.com for more information or email us at info@ezpog.com.